Hello and welcome. I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning, and in this video, I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The passage I have chosen for this is suitable for students in 12th grade. Let me just open this poem on the Lumos Learning website, and by the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. This poem, The Little Land, is by Robert Louis Stevenson. When at home alone I sit, and am very tired of it, I have just to shut my eyes to go sailing through the skies, to go sailing far away to the pleasant land of play, to the fairy land afar where the little people are, where the clover tops are trees, and the rain pools are the seas, and the leaves like little ships sail about on tiny trips, and above the daisy tree through the grasses. So as you can see, while I'm reading, another great feature is that certain words are underlined here. If you click on the underlined word, like pleasant, the meaning pops up, giving a sense of happy satisfaction or enjoyment. Now, let us say you want to practice one of the words from the poem or learn more about it. Well, you can simply click on that word in the right side menu. Let's try out armor. This opens a fun and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Let's try it out. Here you can learn the definition: the metal coverings formerly worn by soldiers or warriors to protect the body in battle. Here the pronunciation:
armor.
See what part of speech it is, a noun. See an example, knights in armor or a suit of armor, plus you can add it to your word list by simply creating an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use the View Passage button to see the word that you just learned within the passage. Little things with lovely surprise, some are clad in armor green. And last but not least, another amazing feature is that you can actually upload an image that corresponds to the word that you just learned. That way you can save it, make notes, and revisit it later. So as you can see, it's fun, super easy, and a great way to learn new words. Plus, there are thousands of resources available on the platform. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description, read this poem, The Little Land, and become a fluent reader. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.